Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. Today I'm going to be working on a bag, a Halloween bag. They're just little treat bags. It's kind of washed out, y'all. Let me see about closing these windows. If it makes it better, I don't know. Okay, but anyway, I'm using this die. I am not sure where I got it from. I have no idea. I thought it was Stamps of Life, but there's no markings, so I know it's not them. I'm not sure where I got it from, but you cut this out twice and the handle's out twice. And then I'm also using this nestled tag die. Not sure where I got this either. But I used two different sizes for that to make some tags. And then the paper pad I used is this paper pad here. I've used this quite a bit this year. I'm trying to use up my paper pads. I've had these for a few years. I've not bought any Halloween paper pads this year. I did get a little pack of Halloween paper from the Scrapbook Expo, which I will start to share those here, those videos here shortly. And but yeah, I have a few paper packs that I just need to use up. I don't need new ones. These papers are fine. And so this is the paper pack I use to make these 3D bags and tags. And so I'll start burnishing the folds and assembling the bags. I'll play some music and you can watch, and then I'll be decorating. Okay, I'm back. I totally didn't make the bags. If you know of anyone who has this die or a tutorial, I totally didn't do the bags because I couldn't figure out how to put it together. I don't know why. I was just having such a difficult time. So I just gave up. And instead I did the tags. So I'm just going to share with you all the tags I ended up making. There's a few of them, and still using some of that die cuts that I received last year from the Halloween die cut swap that I was in. I will put the video here if you wanted to take a look at it, but some of these are popped up on some pop dots or foam. I just added this spider and then some jemmies. And this bow, how cute is that on the cat? But yeah, so that's the first tag and the back. And then here's another tag I made. You can hardly see the tag, but I just got this ghost, this candle, the tombstone with the spider on it, and another ghost back here. And it just says just a bunch of hocus pocus. And I put a witch hat on that ghost, and that's the back. And then another tag, the ghost, I added a witch hat there, the tombstone with the spider, a jack-o'-lantern and a bat, and then the sentiment just says hello. I added a ribbon and a flat gem, and then more gemmies, and that's the back there. And then a little one, I just added this boo sticker, these dies, and this gemmy and a bat here. And then topped it off with some ribbon. And then here's another tag. And I just added the same jewel dot up here by the bow. And then the back of that one. And then another little one. This is the last one I did. And that one's probably the plainest, huh? But yeah, and the back. So those are my tags I wanted to share. I hope you guys are having a crafty day. Please consider liking and subscribing to join me on this crafty journey, to watch for more Halloween videos. And I've got those scrapbook expo videos coming up from the Stamp and Scrapbook Expo that was here in Arizona. So until my next video, for more inspiration here, until my next video, shakas!